Sound is all around us. Where does it come from? How is it produced? What is sound? All these questions will be answered and more in today's NH Studios production. Let's start with a brief definition of sound. Sound is defined as vibrations that travel through the air or other medium that can be heard when they reach a person's or animal's ear. Sound is a longitudinal wave. This means it vibrates in the direction of propagation. Although sound is a longitudinal wave, we represent it using a transverse wave. A transverse wave is defined as a wave in which the medium vibrates at right angles to the direction of its propagation. To understand transverse waves, you have to understand two key concepts: amplitude and frequency. Let's start with frequency. Frequency is defined as the rate at which something occurs over a particular period of time or in a given sample. And now for amplitude. Amplitude is defined as the maximum extent of a vibration or oscillation, measured from the position of equilibrium. Now that we have established these terms, we will have a look at some audio samples. Let's watch that again. Pay particular attention to frequency and amplitude. You should have noted increased frequency on higher notes and decreased frequency on lower notes. Louder notes have a larger amplitude, while softer notes have smaller amplitude. The four main properties of sound waves are reflection, refraction, absorption, and resonance. I will explain these concepts in depth in our next video. I will end this episode with some uses of sound. Echolation. Similarly to bats, we use sound to determine distance. Sonar. A system for the detection of objects underwater by emitting sound pulses and detecting or measuring their return after being reflected. This concludes our first episode. Thanks for watching.